Hi there, I thought I'd show my device again. I updated the diodes on it, and I keep meaning to upload another video of it showing what it can do. At the moment I'm just using it to charge my AA batteries, but this thing can do a hell of a lot more at low input. I've been using it to charge 9-volt batteries as well. It's an incredible oscillator as well. I'm only going in with 3 volt. I'm using a DC input, only powering with going in with 3 volts. Here it's charging the, if you can see that, charging my AA batteries. I use these things in my headphones. Here's the cap. Get a better look at that. Yeah. So I'm getting well over 20 volts. What I've done is I've used an inverted comparator on this thing. It's runs really well, and I can get it to switch at 3 volt input. I'm going to upload the schematic of it as well when I get my software sorted out. It's a Trifilar setup. Pretty decent little device really. But I'm going to make more of these. I've got 4 of these oscillators. I'm going to make a really powerful one as well. I'm going to make one that I can input 3 volts and I can get it to charge a 12 volt battery. So that's a bold claim, but I'm going to do it. So just stay tuned once you see what I've got coming. Some pretty good stuff really. Anyway, I'll leave it there. So thanks for watching.